everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are new, what is up? My name is Melina. I hope you stick around, subscribe, and you'll automatically be entered to every giveaway that I do on my channel. Stick around till the end of this video. I may have a giveaway for you, but today's video is going to be another installment in my wish video series. You guys continuously request these videos and recommend tons of items that you want me to try out. So here I am again, testing something out from the Wish app. You guys know I've done a video in the past where I tested out fake Apple products from the Wish app, but a lot of you requested me to try out real Apple products from the Wish app, and I was confused. I'm like, what are you guys talking about? It's Wish. They only sell really cheap fake stuff, right? But no, turns out they do have real Apple products on the Wish app. They're not like crazy affordable, but they are kind of more affordable than you would get anywhere else. So I wanted to test out an iPad from Wish, and that's what I got. It just came in the mail yesterday, and I'm so excited to see what this iPad is really about. So the cheapest one that I could find was the iPad 2 16 gigabytes. It was around $75. I read a little bit in the description of this iPad, and I guess the reason why they sell them on Wish for a lot cheaper is because they are refurbished. So we'll see what that means. We'll see if this iPad actually works. I'm so excited to get into the package. So let's do this. Again, you guys, this is supposed to be a real iPad. First of all, I don't really like the packaging of this, so I am gonna start off with that. I don't think it's that safe. It's just like one of those big envelopes. Like, this is an iPad. This could smash in the shipping, so you know. The shipping was really quickly. It actually came within a week or so. Let's open it up. Let's see. Ah! Oh my goodness. I see it. I see an Apple logo. Ooh. Ooh. Is this a charger? Oh, it is a charger. So this is the charger. This is the iPad. Oh my gosh, okay, this is so cool. It's actually really clean. It looks brand new. I mean, you guys could see, right? I did explain a little bit in the description that it may be a little scratched, but this one has a couple very, very minor scratches. But no cracks in the screen at all, no scratches on the screen. It does look just like an iPad. I own like 3 already, so I actually have one exactly like this. What? Wait a minute. What? I just realized something. Wow, okay. Do you guys see the charging port? It's one of those, you know, older versions, but they sent me this kind of a charger, which is only for the newer iPads and iPhones. So thankfully, since I have one like this, I do still have chargers for this type of an iPad, but let's just try to turn this thing on and see if it works. Now, I'll be honest, I'm not sure how much an iPad 2 would cost if you were to purchase it from somewhere else, so I just figured Wish has a better deal, but they probably don't. Oh, okay. Okay, it's on. I turned it on, I connected the Wi-Fi. Now it's just taking a couple minutes to set everything up. Do you guys see that? Just gonna press get started. It worked, guys! It's on, and it looks just like a regular iPad screen. It's got all the apps that you would normally get with an iPad. The screen looks good. It's working very well and easy, so I don't see any problem with that. It takes photos very well, just like any regular iPad. So I took a little bit of a break and played around with the iPad a little bit. And I gotta say, it works perfectly. It works just like any brand new iPad. The browser, the photos, every app works great. It's very easy to navigate. I would say it's an iPad in perfect shape just because of that scratch up there. But other than that, everything else works perfectly. I did see on Wish that they had other iPad generations as well, but the reason I went for this one because it was one of the cheapest ones that I could find, but also I own one just like this except in a different color. This one is white. This one from Wish is black, but I got this like 5 years ago. It's actually my kids' iPad now. They use it for watching videos and playing games and things like that on it, but this iPad has been through so much, and look at it, you guys. It's been 5 years and it's looking great. And not only that, but it still works so great. Oh, there she is. It's Ariel. It's been thrown on the floor so many times. It's been sat on. It's been dropped. It just went through so much, and 5 years later, it's still looking like I just bought it. I do have 2 other iPads, an iPad mini and iPad 6th generation. Because those are a newer generation, through my experience, I found that they are so much more fragile and easy to break. That is another big reason why I chose the iPad 2nd generation from Wish, is because I know these are one of the most durable ones that Apple makes. Here it is. It works perfectly. It looks great. The only thing that I'm a little disappointed is the fact that they gave me the wrong type of charger. I think 75 bucks is a pretty great deal. This iPad could be used for so many different things, whether you're in school, college, work, use your social media, emailing, anything. You can basically do anything with this iPad. So I think we finally scored with a great Apple product from the Wish app, and this one is real, not fake. Not this one. As I mentioned a couple times, I already have a couple iPads and I really don't see a use for this one. I don't think it'd be that nice of me to just have an extra iPad sitting around my house when I know someone out there may need it much more than I do. So as always with these videos, if there's something that I know I'm not going to use, I always like to give back to you guys. So if any of my sweet subscribers want this iPad, be sure to let me know in the comments. If you are subscribed, you are already automatically entered in every single one of my giveaways. Just let me know in the comments that you want this. If you guys want to stay updated to, you know, who got it, be sure to follow me on Instagram. A lot of times I announce who I send my giveaways to on my Instagram story, so I will leave that below. I'm about to box this back up, and I actually have a couple chargers that go to this, so I will give you a charger and send it to one of my beautiful subscribers. But that is it, you guys. I enjoy making these videos so much. Feel free to leave any other suggestions of items that you'd like me to try out from Wish, or if you know any other really cheap sites or apps out there that you'd like me to try out and review in a video. I do read all of your guys' comments, so be sure to leave your suggestions below. I really appreciate each and every one of you for taking some time out of your day to sit down and watch another one of my videos. I hope you enjoyed yet another Wish app video. If these get too much and boring for you guys, just let me know and I'll stop. But so far, you guys seem to continuously request them and love them, so I'm gonna continue to do them. But with that said, I hope you guys have a beautiful, wonderful day. God bless you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!